All right, so today I want to briefly introduce the sales process when it comes to prospecting shippers. And I want to explain to you why it's so important to know and understand if you want to acquire shippers as customers. Because as the name suggests, it is a process, guys. All right. You're not going to immediately get a shipper as a customer and get them to do business with you, no matter how smooth of a talker you are on that first call. So let's break it down how this process works. All right. So, first, you need to do some background research on that prospect. Find out about the prospect's operations, as much info as you can. Use Google, their website, and maybe even LinkedIn if you're actually honing in on an actual individual like a shipping manager. You don't want to ask any questions that you can get the answers to by your own research, right? So, like what type of freight they move, how often they move it, where does the freight normally go, right? Um, do they do more importing on shipments versus exporting? And so the next thing you would want to do after that research is pick up the phone, make the call, right? And have your first attempt of contact with that prospect. Having your script ready, right? Having your script ready and being prepared to 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 greet the shipper and deliver value from the start as soon as possible, right? Sound like a professional, sound clear, sound confident. Don't get discouraged, right? If they hang up or they give you an objection. Remember, these people are getting these calls every day. So if you stay in the call, you're going to be separating yourself from everybody else who just immediately hangs up, right? So more often than not, you'll find that as soon as you greet the shipper and introduce yourself, you're going to be faced with objections, some sort, right? This is completely normal, is what I'm trying to tell you. So stay tuned. Look, I'm going to not only continue helping you with videos of the sales process, I'm going to be helping you with how to handle objections. It may be the next video. Either way, you got a little taste of that sales process and some actions to take. I'm Alex Cassidel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. You guys take care. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.